Lee Self-Development TV. Winning Hearts Through Conversation. Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to write a video narration with the theme of Winning Hearts Through Conversation. Let's win the other person's heart through conversation and enrich human relationships. Express genuine interest. It is important to sincerely listen and engage in the conversation, regardless of what the other person is talking about. A good conversation begins with empathizing, asking questions, and thinking together. Use the other person's name. People enjoy hearing their own names. Frequently using the other person's name during conversation fosters a sense of familiarity and helps the conversation flow more smoothly. Maintain eye contact. Making eye contact and looking at the other person during conversation shows respect. By maintaining eye contact, the other person will be more focused and feel more favorable towards you. Use empathetic language. Using empathetic language when responding to the other person's story allows them to feel more comfortable in the conversation. For example, express empathy by saying things like, "That must have been difficult," or, "I can see how that could happen." Give compliments and encouragement. Discover and compliment the other person's strengths and offer words of encouragement when they are facing difficulties. By giving positive energy, you can win their heart. Be honest about your own story. While showing interest and empathy towards the other person, it is also important to be honest about your own experiences. By doing this, the conversation will flow more smoothly and trust will build between both parties. Offer advice instead of criticism. Rather than criticizing the other person's difficulties or problems, offer helpful advice. By providing warm advice from their perspective, the other person will be more open to you. Listen and understand. It is important to quietly listen and make an effort to understand what the other person is saying. Instead of interrupting or only expressing your own opinions, listen and understand their story first before sharing your own thoughts. This is a key component of a good conversation. Use appropriate gestures and expressions. Gestures and facial expressions are also important during conversation. By showing interest and sharing emotions with appropriate gestures and expressions, the other person will feel more comfortable talking with you. End with a farewell and words of gratitude. When wrapping up the conversation, express gratitude for what you gained through the conversation, and offer a farewell that implies anticipation for the next conversation. This will allow for a warm conclusion to the conversation. That's all for The Laws of Human Relationships, Winning Hearts Through Conversation. Practice these conversation techniques and strengthen your relationships with others. We'll be back with more helpful content in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.